hello there, and late to the party with this, the Paint It Green challenge for 3 blind mice. And as you've seen, I'll be doing the tonka beach buggy, and I got it as part of a job lot of stripped down and already painted tonkas and corgis, etc. dinky. And there I was just wet and drying the actual body, and here I'm spraying the interior satin black because the whites had yellowed, and here I'm actually spraying on some auto-born sealant silver to give a nice sparkle. And as an undercoat, it makes a good undercoat for the next processes, which were I sprayed it in let me think a minute, Createx, and it was poison green. And looks rather good, to be fair. I screwed up the assembly and damaged the paintwork, but it's still passable enough to show. And here I should really clear up my flower. There I'm putting on the Createx Poison Green candy. And after that I put on Createx Black, which you'll see in a while. That's Createx Quicksilver I'm using on the engine. And he actually polished. I used silver water salt to polish the roll bar. And as I say, it were already stripped down, and the previous one had primed it. As you can see, I've damaged the paint on the sides there because I were rushing to get it out. It's only a rush job, but my idea, I was playing really. When I saw the Paint It Green, I thought I'm going to have a play with a paint job, and it's turned out rather good. The black, by normal light, it's black. Then when you get strong light, it's like sun, or a strong torch beam, as I'm going to use in a minute. You can still see the green sparkly paint underneath. I also added some cosmic sparkle to the green candy. But as you can see, when strong light hits it, you can see the green sparkles underneath. They're showing up better than if I hadn't damaged it and assembled it too early. It'd have shown up a lot nicer and a lot better. But hey, oh, you live and learn. It's not the same as doing a die-cast car, so it's a first for me. But it's taught me that my paint idea is viable. Anyway, thank you for watching. Take care out there, and see you in my next video.